YouTube? I'm back with another YouTube video, bro. And my nigga, today we got the Las Vegas Raiders versus the Philadelphia Eagles. Now look, my nigga, the Eagles, these niggas been in a slump. Good. I'm tired of these niggas winning every game. Got these Philly fans' heads hyped up and shit like that. Good, and they sit their ass down. And y'all know the Raiders, these niggas been ass as well. They got Pete Carroll just started stinking. So my nigga, without further ado, my nigga, if you new here, bro, leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me on all my socials on the screen, nation, link in the description as well. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. Aim for like 5 likes this video. And let's get into this bitch. Okay.
Normally, you'd see this under center. You get a couple.
All right, Philly with the ball.
With the tush push, that hasn't been nearly.
Okay, this nigga Jalen Hurts already scrambling. Okay.
And Eagles fans are saying yes.
This should be a very winnable game for the Eagles, so this should not be an excuse.
Positive ones getting Saquon to the second level.
5 out of the first 6 plays runs. Here's a pass.
And
Swinging out of the backfield.
Jalen Hurts, he my fantasy QB.
Last couple weeks, though, even this has disappeared. 1 for the last 4 in the red zone. Hurts throwing outside.
Okay.
Smith with a diving catch. A little bit short, though.
I was surprised the Eagles don't even got 10 wins yet. That's crazy. Hey, okay. Eagles are already coming out the gate scoring that bitch. Dallas Goedert.
At or near the line of scrimmage for the Raiders on defense. So how do you account for them? You read one of them. Plays upfield, you just toss Goddard the little shovel pass, and that's one of the advantages of having a quarterback in the gun. Whether it's a quarterback keep, you gain an extra man, or in that case.
All right, the Raiders with the ball. Who is that? Oh, Kenny Pickett. That's crazy. Okay, Lockett.
Very young offense, a veteran in his 11th year. And we asked Greg Olsen, why is that? He said, well, it's both things. It's the scheme, and then they got great linebackers and nickels. And
she said that nigga up.
Linebackers and Nakobe Dean shutting down Brock Bowers. Trying to snap a 7-game skid today. Pickett on the roll. He's going to run.
Okay, Kenny.
And there is a little bit of a mention that they lack with Geno Smith.
Yeah, and I think it's going to be kind of a welcome
today. 4 out of his first 5. Play action.
Kenny dropped back. Damn, the Eagles defense on that. Y'all know the Eagles don't got nothing but Georgia and Bama players on that bit. That defense is stacked. Good throw.
Tackled at the 33 by DeJean. It's 4th down here. They're at the edge of field goal range on a day where I don't know if field goals are going to do you much good. But not very successful.
This nigga Tyler Lockett don't got no drip.
4th down. Arm is hit as he threw, and it's incomplete.
Insane.
And that offensive line, which has struggled so much, facing this nasty defensive line.
All right, the Eagles with the ball.
Drive to start the day. Play action pass to begin this drive, and a deep
oh my God. Okay, Schmitty. Okay. Yes. Turn up for us skinny niggas real quick. Turn up for us, my nigga. Thank you.
Example under center. Look at these real.
Is it snowing? The fuck?
Run left side, Barkley.
Yeah, they on that shit.
Roberts, leader of this Raiders defense.
They was on that shit.
With the Patriots at the start of his career. Try to get on 3rd down. Raiders yet to get a stop on 3rd today.
Oh my God. Okay, Max Crosby.
Max Crosby, disaster of a season for the Raiders, but a really bright spot right there.
All right, Eagles with a field goal.
That's a
hey,
disappointment
10-0.
there for the Eagles, though. We had a touchdown go through the hands of Dallas Goedert. Pickett is sacked again.
Okay.
And it's Brandon Graham again.
Okay.
That's such a big part of their ability to sustain drives over the years.
Hands it off here, straight ahead. Tank Bigsby.
Hey, okay.
Pushes ahead for 8 yards.
Both those elements just haven't been present this season.
Bootleg. Sets. Throws. Goddard. Dallas Goedert, 1st down. 19 carries on the year coming in. He's scored it 3 times right here. Takes the fake. And a throw. Crossing Goddard again. Getting a healthy dose in this first half. First and goal inside the 3. Barkley.
Okay, Saquon.
Down Eagles.
Okay. Hey, this shit looking bad, bro. I'm not gonna lie, the Eagles, them niggas running up that motherfucking score.
57, 3 timeouts for Las Vegas.
Hey.
Gentry. Bowers in the flats.
Okay, bro. Damn.
He's over a defender and right over Adoree Jackson and got a first down.
Brock Bowers, you need one of them out pieces that cover up your mouth tongue. I'm playing it out.
Strong hands, first down.
Okay, Brock.
3rd and 8. Eagles rush just
Yeah, Brock Bowers, he need one of them mouthpieces
Lockett can't pull it in.
that cover up your mouth. That should have been tricky.
Got his first interception in an Eagles uniform last week.
Of course, incredible wins.
All right, Raiders with the ball still, 2nd and 7.
Marriage of the two.
Bowers is open. Brock Bowers got it going a little bit at the end of the first.
Okay,
He's got
bro.
a first down right here. Mostert in on 3rd and 3. Pickett's given time.
Oh my God, Kenny. Hell no. Great pass, bro. Great pass. 10 out of 10 pass, to be honest.
The all-pro linebacker picks off Pickett. And that's how the second half begins for the Raiders offense. Takeaway. Hurts in the offense. Going to work after
All right. Eagles with the ball. Jalen Hurts.
throws wide.
That nigga was wide open, bro.
Letterman received it in the first half, and he's got a big gain to open the second. 32 yards for Goddard.
All right. Coffin Baby versus Hydrogen Bomb.
4-man rush, so Hurts with time.
Ugh.
Brown. First catch of the day for Brown. To the 25 he goes. 14 yards to continue the drive. Set up 3rd and 12. We have 5 eligible receivers right here working from an empty
This
set.
nigga running.
Quarterback draw. Jalen Hurts gets around.
And that shit actually works. That shit crazy.
There it is. Jalen Hurts having one of his best rushing games of the season.
Frankly, that's what makes it so fun.
Shovel pass.
Oh, that's a touchdown. That's crazy. Yup, this shit over with. This shit over with.
His entire career, they send him here on a little post-net jet sweep, and I just don't understand for an NFL.
They're running this shit up.
Regardless of how much they've struggled, for an NFL defense to not have one single defender on the edge, it's a top 10 now. By the end of the season, this could be a top 5 unit.
Oh, I forgot they do got Gentry.
Makes a man miss.
Hell no.
Just one though. And it was
What the fuck even was that?
It lost a few.
What the fuck?
The Eagles teeing off here on 3rd down, bringing 4, getting pressure.
They on his ass.
There it is, Nolan Smith. 4th of the day for the
This shit looking bad, bro.
3 10-play touchdown drives in this game for an offense that needed to get right. They certainly have. And here's Barkley with space.
Okay, Saquon.
17 for Barkley. Barkley again.
Okay, Saquon. That's crazy.
Get off me, he says.
That's fucking crazy, bro.
Saquon Barkley, quiet first half, getting it going here in the second. He's Hurts delivers.
Oh, that didn't go out. Yeah, this shit over with.
And now this touchdown here in the slot.
Should we send the end track? What we doing?
That Nick Sirianni wanted to coming here back at home. 3-game losing streak, trying to get back on track down the stretch in December, and I don't think it could have gone any better today for the Philadelphia Eagles. Joe
You're doing all right now. Them niggas turn.
was he?
On 3rd and 16.
Off in the fucking shit.
From Mitchell. Let McKee throw.
Who the fuck is that?
And has the completion downfield to Darius Cooper.
Game the way he's accustomed to if he was in a team with a better offense that was playing more competitive games.
McKee a strike, Cooper again. Think about what he could bring back in a trade. And I know it is a Raiders.
Now they have a ton of money in spending they can do in free agency, so that will certainly help.
You're right, even the Eagles backups is cooking these niggas. That shit crazy.
3rd down and 3. Under 5 to play. Bixby over the right side is.
And these niggas still got a first down.
First down. Bixby. Oh, it's close. He wants his first touchdown. Not going to quite get it.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm going for it.
I'm not sure if I want to
never
come
mind.
here to fill
31 to fucking 0, my nigga.
This offense.
Nigga, don't dab me up after being 31-0. Are you insane? But if you enjoyed this video, bro, leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me. I'm also on the screen next to me, link in the description as well. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. And I catch y'all boys in the next one. Peace.